This is called an IPO document. Input, process, output. At the top level, this is what Lean Six Sigma is about. Lean Six Sigma is about the following things on the left-hand side with the idea what we want to do is we want to do it better, faster, and at lower cost. Now, when I make my little presentations, I always talk about our big federal government, and I ask this question, so I'll ask you this question. Do you know of anything more messed up, more hosed up, more fraught with waste, return loops, and things that are unneeded than most of our federal bureaucracy? No. So this is a tool set. This is a tool set which we should be applying to that federal bureaucracy to begin to dismantle it where it's important, to eliminate it where it's important, but certainly to make it more efficient and more effective. Now, before I get going too far, I'm going to tell you this much. These concepts have been around a long time. We've been working in these concepts for 2 decades or more in industry really hard with phenomenal results. So why isn't government doing this? Why isn't government moving in this direction? This is one of the major platform issues that we will see in the Republican Party. It just so happens that guys like Rick and I have been in this for a couple decades. We are on the ground floor of this, and we've been doing this around the world for a long time. So let's talk about it a little bit. The principles are really very quite simple. Specify value in the eyes of the taxpayer. That means what is the taxpayer actually paying to do? What does the taxpayer want, and what are they expecting for their taxpayer dollars? Principle number 1. Principle number 2. In every process, there's a value stream. There's a flow. There's a way things go across that process. What's that look like? Do we understand it? Do we have it categorized? The third concept. Let's make things flow. Let's get it so it flows smoother, better, faster, lower cost, at the pull of the taxpayer. So the taxpayer's paying for something. Let's get that product or service to us better, faster, lower cost. Let's align and empower employees, people, and individuals to make the changes and do it. Let's remove the burdens. Let's remove the bureaucracy. Let's remove the ability or the inability to make those changes. And the fifth concept is you continually follow that process over and over and over and over until you get it better, faster, lower cost.